Hi class, my name is Shelley Lynch and I will be your professor for NUR 673, Global Health Perspectives. You will all be doing your introductions elsewhere, but I just wanted to take this moment to say hi and welcome to class. I am so excited to be facilitating this class. I am a full-time clinical assistant professor at UMass Dartmouth. I received my bachelor's in nursing from Hartwick College in Oneonta, New York, over 18 years ago. I received a master's in nursing education about 10 years ago, and I also received my certificate after graduate studies as a certified family nurse practitioner. I also have over 18 years of critical care experience. I work here full-time. I also I work in internal med, and I also work in critical care in a Boston hospital. So busy. I have a strong interest in global health, as well as increasing community awareness and providing basic life support. I've been certified as an American Heart Association BLS, ACLS, PALS instructor for about 17 years now. I am on their faculty. I've been published numerous times in RN.com on numerous ICU topics, including delirium in the ICU is more common than we think, some stuff on sepsis, management of type 2 diabetes, mechanical ventilation in the adult. On a personal note, I have been living in Boston. I just moved down to the South Shore, but I am an online professor, so I just come into Dartmouth one time a week. I have 3 boys that keep me very, very busy, including a toddler. So I understand work-life balance. I really do. I look forward to learning from you, with you, and I'm really looking forward to presenting the class to you. So move forward to Module 1, where I will walk through kind of how to actually move over to the welcome message. So I will show you a little bit about your expectations here in this course. All right. Welcome.